Good morning, Southview. Welcome to Thursday, August 31st. It's a full day of possibilities. Attention all girls interested in girls basketball. Today and Friday are open gym sessions from 4 to 5:15. Remember, this is a great chance for practice, but is not required for tryouts next Tuesday and Wednesday. Come and have fun on the court. Quick reminder about Friday. Get ready for a PBIS assembly. Miss Fidel sent out an email on Tuesday with important details. 6th grade, you will have your assembly first hour from 9:15 to 9:58. And 5th graders, you will have it during 5th hour, 12:19 to 1:02. It's going to be a blast. And now it's time for Thinking Thursday. Here's the challenge for you. If you have an answer to my riddle, jot it down on a sticky note and stick it in my black mailbox outside of my room, room 111. Are you ready? Here's the riddle. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? Put your thinking caps on and give it your best shot. Enjoy the rest of your day of learning, Southview. We'll talk to you next time.